तुमकां सगळ्यांक नमस्कार करता। आजच्या पत्रकार परिशदेक तुम्ही इलेक्ट्रॉनिक मिडिया, प्रेस आणि तसेच सगळे रिपोर्टर्स सगळ्यांचे आजच्या पत्रकार मिटिंगेक सगळ्यांचे स्वागत करता। आणि आजच्या ह्या पत्रकार आमची परिशद आसा तेका आमच्या मदीं आसा पेन्नादिफ्रांक पंचायतीचो सरपंच बाब स्वप्नील चोडणकर, तसेच सुकूरची सरपंच मॅडम सोनिया पेडणेकर, तसेच आमच्या तिनूय पंचायतीचे पंचायत मेंबर्स आणि आमची पर्वरी कार्निवाल कमिटीचे सगळे मेंबर्स। वर्सा प्रमाणे आमी कार्निवाल पर्वरीन घडोवन हाडटा आणि तसोच आज परत एकदा 13 फेब्रुवारीक कार्निवाल हो पर्वरीन आमचो जावपाचो आसा आणि तोय बी आमचे पर्वरचे माननीय आमदार श्री रोहन खंवटे यांच्या लिडरशिपी सकयल आमी हो कार्निवाल जो महोत्सव आसा हो पर्वरीन घडोवन हाडपाचो आसा। आणि ह्या कार्निवालाक हांव सगळ्यांक तुमकांय रिक्वेस्ट करता, तसेच सबंद पर्वरचे जे नागरीक आसात तांकांय रिक्वेस्ट करता आणि सबंद गोंयकारांक रिक्वेस्ट करता जो 13 फेब्रुवारीक कार्निवाल महोत्सव हो पर्वरी मतदारसंघान जो जावपाचो आसा तेतून सगळ्यांनी ह्या कार्निवाल महोत्सवाक सहभागी जावन ह्या कार्निवालाचो सगळ्यांनी उपस्थित रावन आस्वाद घेवचो अशें सगळ्यां कडेन एक कळकळीची विनंती करता। तसेच ह्या कार्निवाला बद्दल जे कितें तुमकां ब्रीफ करपाक जाय म्हणजे सामकें प्रॉपर ते आमच्या कार्निवाल कमिटीचे मेंबर रिना फेर्नांडीस, एबिगेल डिमेलो ही दोगूय हांगा आमच्या मदीं प्रेसाक उपस्थित आसा आणि ती प्रॉपर तुमकां त्या कार्निवाला बद्दल व्यवस्थित म्हायती दितली।
Hi, I'm Rina Fernandez. I am representing the organizing committee and also I'm the punch member of Salvador do Mundo. Now we are having this carnival and like Rohan sir says it, we are terming it as People's Carnival Parade and it will be held on 13 February from 3:30 p.m. onwards at Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj Marg, Art Park, Porvorim. Now this carnival is built around people and it outlines the vision of our Honorable MLA and Minister for Tourism, IT, Shri Rohan Ashok Khawte. Now, according to Rohan sir, Carnival has always been a traditional exploration by the people of Goa, exhibiting the culture and showing their cultural fabric, and it is deeply rooted in satire, music, humor, and collective joy. And this is what exactly we are trying or making an intent to depict today. Over the years, we have seen that motorized floats, generators, excessive amplification has become a part of the carnival parades, and that has altered the carnival idea as in a whole. So this year we are going to have a people's carnival. So it will be an initiative by the people, wherein people will be coming forward to restore the carnival to its original form. While keeping it inclusive, environmentally conscious, and rooted in community participation. The parade is designed as an open platform for citizens, families, institutions, and performers, and they will be taking actively part in this. Besides that, early bird incentive, which will be participating, they will be given some early bird prizes, and special prizes will be there for all participating. And we ask the Porvorim people to have their family floats, and the floats will be by way of people walking around with maybe carts and all that. So basically what we are concentrating and thinking, or Rohan sir's idea is to remove engines, excessive noise, and these commercial floats, and have more of people involvement, so that there is a breath of fresh air. And what Goans have been missing all these years about Carnival, we bring it in spirit alive this year. We have had a wonderful Nomo zone just the last month, and we are hoping for a success of this Carnival also for the people and by the people of Porvorim and also the people of Goa. I would now request my fellow colleague Abigail De Mello to explain in brief what will be the rules and the general participation principles held behind this.
Good evening, everyone. The general rules that we have for all the categories. The carnival is a people-powered parade, so there will be no motorized or fuel-powered vehicles or any equipment that would require fuel to run. Pedal-powered vehicles, cycles, tricycles, hand-pedaled or foot-pedaled vehicles are allowed. All pedal-powered vehicles must be decorated as a part of the carnival theme. Generators, fuel-powered equipments, and large sound systems are strictly prohibited. Participants must follow the instructions from the parade marshals, volunteers, and police authorities at all times. Our rules and regulations regarding music and sound: only portable, battery-powered music systems are allowed. Small carts or pedal-powered units may carry sound equipment. Handheld, wearable, or shoulder-carried speakers are permitted. Acoustic and live music is strongly encouraged, including drums, percussion, brass instruments, folk and traditional instruments. Live bands may participate only if they follow the portable and the acoustic norms. Big sound systems are strictly prohibited. No generators or fuel-powered equipment is allowed, and no vehicle-mounted sound systems. The dress code and theme for all categories. Dressing up is mandatory for the floats and encouraged for all participants. The approved themes are cultural, traditional, carnival-based, social or environmental awareness. Obscene, offensive, political or religiously sensitive content is strictly prohibited. The different categories we have are the People's Float category, which allows a minimum of 20 participants per float. Again, they can use hand-pulled or hand-pushed carts, trolleys, platforms, pedal-powered vehicles. Float structures must be lightweight, stable, and safe. Participants must be dressed according to a common theme. The use of props, costumes, masks, and creative material is allowed, subject to safety norms. I would like to emphasize again that the motorized vehicles are strictly prohibited. Then we have the clown, joker, or individual category, which is open to individual participants portraying the clown, jokers, or solo carnival characters. Costume presentation is mandatory. Cycle and other pedal-powered vehicles may be used as a part of the act. Props, face paint, masks, and creative accessories are allowed. We also have a family category where a minimum of 4 family members per entry is allowed. Participants must belong to one family unit. Immediate or extended families are permitted. Props, costumes, masks, and pedal-powered or cycle-based concepts are permitted. Families must walk or pedal along the parade route and perform only while moving or at designated pause zones. In order to maintain some safety and discipline, we have certain rules. All participants must comply with the safety instructions issued by the organizers, the parade marshals, volunteers, police, and civic authorities. Any violations may result in warning or sound reduction, removal from judging, disqualification from the parade, and the organizing committee's decision shall be final and binding in all matters. As my colleague Reena mentioned, we have a special early bird incentive where the first 25 registered people's floats that have a minimum of 20 participants will receive an amount of 6,000 each, and the first 25 entries in the family category with a minimum of 4 members will receive rupees 3,000 each. This is our committee's focus on early registration and community engagement and people-led participation.
It's starting from Art Park till Vidya Prabodhini, there's a ground is there. So we have kept the routes also not very large, so that not to disturb the other routes and all. And it will go, we take the floats because the people's float, we take it take inside the ground and it will pass through in front of the main stage also.
How many floors are there?
Because we are expecting actually very large amount because already we have a very good participations, registrations have been coming in because it is more of a people are participating, not the they don't have to spend big money on the infrastructure floats and all. So it is about people getting together and making a nice common team. So we are going back to the roots where we get back the real flavor of Carnival. That is our Rohan Sir's vision.
But if you talk about group, you need costumes, you
Yes.
need all those things, and you need, there's a cost for all it.
Yes, but it is
So what is the
comparatively,
price of
comparatively much less. It is prize money is same amount as other bigger floats. It's like 1,50,000. There is a traditional, and then there is the individual. We will share with you the prize money. It is the same float. Same money is the prices amount is given for that. Just
13 फेब्रुवारीक जो कार्नावाल जावपाचो पर्वरी ह्या प्रेस कॉन्फरन्साक तुमी सगळे प्रेस इलेक्ट्रॉनीक मिडिया तशेंच प्रेस सगळे जाण हाजीर रावले म्हणून तुमचे सगळ्या जाणांचे देव बरें करूं म्हणटा. तशेंच हांव देव बरें करूं म्हणटा जी कार्निवालाची कमिटी आसा तसोच आमचो ZP संदीप साळगांवकर तशेंच सुकुची सरपंच सोनिया संजय पेडणेकर तशेंच उपस्थित असलेले सगळे तिनूय पंचायतीचे पंच सदस्य तशेंच कार्निवालाची कमिटी हेंचे हांव सगळ्यांचे देव बरें करूं म्हणून म्हणटा आनी हो प्रेस कॉन्फरन्स काबार म्हणून जाहीर करता.
That is, I'll explain the prize monies. In a traditional, that is, first prize is 1 lakh, second 75, third is 60,000, fourth is 45, fifth prize is 30, and then 5 constellation prizes of 10,000. And then in club and institutions, there is 60, 50, 30, 20, 12, and 5 constellation of 5 numbers. And again, family is 20, 18, 10, 8, 5, and 1,500 into 5. And then we have a clown and joker, 12, 9, 7, 5, 3, and 1,000 into 5 constellation prizes. We kept the prize money also is the same good amount. So
तुम्ही पळयतात गोंयकारपण गोंयकारांचो गोंयकारा खातीर.